was born in.
I was born in San Francisco in 1940. I'm 24 right now. Well, Kung Fu, the best example would be a glass of water. Why? Because water is the softest substance in the world, but yet it can penetrate the hardest rock or anything, granite, you name it. Water also is insubstantial. By that I mean you cannot grasp hold of it. You cannot punch it and hurt it. So every Kung Fu man is trying to do that, to be soft like water and flexible and adapt itself to the opponent. There is the finger jab, there is the punch, there is the back fist and the low. Of course, then they use leg, straight at the guard, or come up. Or, if I can back up a little bit, they start back from there, and then come back. In Kung Fu, it always involves a very fast motion. Like for instance, a guy grabbing your hand. It's not the idea to do so many steps. Step it right on the instep. Do let go. This is what we mean by simplicity. Same thing in striking and in everything. It has to be based on a very minimum motion so that everything would be directly expressed in one motion. And he's gone. Doing it gracefully. Not to go, yelling and jumping all over him, but to do it. Start like a tiger. Use a claw to claw the face or the beak of the crane to the eyes. Thank you very much.